Some summarized points of SAR shown in this slide. This is the first point. Here you can see the electron donating or electron withdrawing group at C7 position will increase the antibacterial activity. Next point is substitution of NCH3 whole twice at C7 position increase the activity. Example is minocycline. Next one is the D ring should be always aromatic, means should not change in the aromatic ring, means it should not replace by 5-member or 4-membered ring. Changes in the ring leads the biological inactivation of the molecule. Next point is additional glycine-amino substitution at the C9 position leads the new class of antibiotic, that is glycycline, or example is TG cycline. Next point and main point is the linearly fused tetracycline nuclease is most important for the biological or antibiotic activity. Next point is the conversion of carboxymide, that is at C2 position carboxymide group is converted into nitrile form or nitrile group, then it will decrease 20-fold loss of activity. Next point is ketoenol tautomerization is between C2 and C position is very essential for the biological activity. Next point is the epimerization at C4 position and dehydration at C5 position result the loss of activity. So this is the summarized SAR of tetracycline. Again, this is the summary of tetracycline SAR. Any modification, no bacterial activity, effects and structural modification, means which groups are very essential and what are the effects causing for replacement of this essential group. This will shown in this slide. Now move to the next slide. The spectrum of activity. The tetracyclines are broad spectrum antibiotic active against wide range of gram-positive and negative bacteria, as we earlier discussed this. The side effects of tetracycline. The side effects of tetracyclines are not common, means less side effects are generally shown by tetracycline, but a main side effect is toxicity or photosensitivity. It increases the risk of sunburn under exposure to sunlight and sunlight sources. They may cause stomach or bowel upset and rare occasions of allergic reactions. Tetracycline are teratogenic, as we already discussed that it is having teratogenic effect, and it will lead the fetal teeth discoloration. The teeth of fetus is discolorated. Uses: the tetracycline is generally used in the treatment of infections of UTI, respiratory tract infections and intestine infections. This is widely used in the treatment of moderately severe acne. Doxycycline is used as prophylaxis dose or prophylactic treatment in the infection by Bacilli anthracis. It is also used for the prophylactic dose in the malaria treatment, and finally it is used as veterinary medicines. Thank you so much.